Fresh Direct is one of my favorite meal delivery services. They service the New York City area, but they just opened service in Philadelphia. If you live in any of these areas, I highly recommend you check them out. The first thing I like about them is that their prepared meals are all based on recipes of established area chefs such as Michael Stark, Floyd Cardoz, Terence Brennan, and Tina Burto. The Fresh Direct Kitchen then produces these meals for delivery to your home. The next I like about them is their packaging. These trays are most microwavable friendly trays I've ever seen. They always guarantee your meal will be hot and not dried out from reheating in the microwave. I have not any heating issues putting 2 or 3 meals in the microwave at once. That saves me time. I also love the high quality of the gourmet food they use in their recipes, and they do an excellent job with seasoning and spices, far better than any other services I have tried. Lastly, no prepared meals is over $10, which automatically make them a good value. In fact, meals average around $8. I would like to see some more beef on the menu, but they have a significant selection, and the Italian meals are my favorite category. I'll start my review with the Moroccan lamb, which comes with mixed vegetables and couscous. I received 4 generous sized chunks of lamb which was perfectly prepared. It was tender and flavorful. The mixed vegetables were fresh and blended well with a slightly spicy seasoning. The couscous might have bordered on the dry side, but it was good and plentiful. I thought it was a good value at $8.99. Next on my menu was the porcini mushroom risotto with porcini mushroom, asparagus, peas, and Parmesan cheese. Risotto is a very difficult prepared meal to have come out correctly by the time it gets to the customer. They did a very good job with this, but it's not like a fresh risotto you would find in a restaurant. The mushrooms are few, but the broth is excellent, as the texture. It's just like some of the creaminess, but still good value at $7.99. I followed that meal up with lamb and vegetables curry with sweet potatoes and chickpeas, kale. It was one of my least favorite meals, only because of the taste. I liked the lamb, which was again tender and well seasoned. The vegetables were also high quality, but I felt there was not enough sauce. If you love lamb and curry, I'm sure you'll find a good value at $9.99. Next, I had the chicken marsala with mushroom and marsala wine sauce and penne pasta, which was a great meal in my opinion. The chicken breast was smaller than most other meal delivery services, but it was delicious and moist. The marsala wine sauce was flavorful and was absorbed into the penne pasta. The pasta had a perfect texture too. I would have liked to see a side green vegetable with the meal, but it was a good value at $8.99. My first sampling from Mexican menu was the short rib enchiladas, which I devoured like a man rescued from a deserted island. Wow, that was good. First, perfectly cooking braised short ribs is a time-consuming process, and not only did they do it correctly, they stuffed their enchilada with it. Right there, they had me at hello. The pickled cactus, jack cheese, and chili sauce were all home runs that complemented the beef perfectly. It's a great value at $9.99, so order a case. Not expecting to have that meal outdone, I next had the beef bourguignon, which was braised in red wine and tossed over egg noodles with thick bacon bits, pearl onion, and wedge of carrots. I was wrong, this meal was perfect. Braising meat in this manner is lost culinary skill in this country. It takes a while to cook, then you refrigerate for a day, peel away the grizzled and take the meat off the bone, then you make the sauce with the vegetables. Do it right and you will be rewarded. Fresh Direct took no shortcuts here, and the meal is well worth $9.99. In fact, I think it could be a lot more. Have a bite and you'll agree. Lasagna is a passion of mine, so I was trying to save turkey bolognese lasagna until last, but I couldn't resist. In my opinion, this is the second best lasagna you can buy from a prepared meal delivery service. The sauce is awesome, as the lasagna, because it's all made with fresh ingredients. Notice the cheese on top of it. That is fresh mozzarella, a detail not practiced by other companies. It is small, but all meal delivery lasagna are, but the size is made up for what a great flavor. I would certainly buy it again for $8.99. Once temptation had me, I quickly went to the beef bolognese lasagna next. In my opinion, this is the best lasagna you can buy from a meal delivery service. Again, it has all fresh ingredients, but it's the bolognese sauce that makes it stand over the competitors. In this country, bolognese means ground meat and tomato sauce. Wrong. The traditional recipe is made with cream, and it makes a difference. And yes, cream is one of the ingredients of the label. A great value at $8.99. Then I went back to Mexico for the chicken enchiladas, which were outstanding. The shredded chicken is perfectly seasoned and plentiful. The spices and sauce are all excellent too. The spice is not too hot and can be enjoyed by anyone in the family. I highly recommend them at $8.99. I wanted to keep things rolling, so I had the chicken and cheese cannelloni with pesto and spinach next. This is basically an Italian version of an enchilada, and very good. I thought the pesto sauce was a hint on the strong side and made the flavor of the spinach and chicken a little hard to find, but it was still very good, and I would recommend it at $7.99. I love your American cottage pie, but in this country, you call it shepherd's pie. A shepherd's pie is made with lamb. A cottage pie is made with beef. The one I tried from Fresh Direct was one of the best I had from a meal delivery service, making a good value at $7.29 for a full pound of pure deliciousness. My first disappointment came from the gargallini pasta with portobello mushroom. I thought it was just okay because I found the sauce to be a little dry and I didn't care for the marinade of the mushroom, which took away from the great natural flavor. The quality and fresh ingredients were fine, but I wouldn't order it again at $8.99. I also didn't care for the shrimp with Thai peanut sauce. It had just a few pieces of small shrimp, which I could have looked past, but the sauce had a strong lime flavor which overpowered any peanut sauce I've ever had. Thai usually means spicy, and mine didn't have any. I found the sauce to be watery and not cling to the pasta. I wouldn't order this meal for $7.99. I ordered 3 frozen meals too. Normally, all the meals I have enjoyed from this company were fresh. The salmon and vegetable couscous was very good. I especially love that the salmon came in with very pink center, which allowed me the freedom to reheat it without it turning a solid pink all the way through. You may like it that way, but I love the extra thought from the chef. The couscous also came out perfectly and wasn't dry at all. A little bigger piece of salmon would have been nice, but it's hard to say it's not a good value at $8.99. My second frozen meal was the bistro chicken, which I found to be fair at best. The chicken was fine, but small in portion size. The sauce didn't melt evenly over the meal, and the spices potato didn't have any spice to me. They were a little on the mushy soft side too. The green beans were great, but I wouldn't order this meal again at $5.99. There are many other meals from this company I would rather have. My last frozen meal was the linguine with red clam sauce. This might be one of my all-time favorites, so I saved it for last. The fresh tal pasta was outstanding, but a little on the skimpy side. And that was it. The meal was tossed after one bite. There were some chunks of tomato, but no sauce. For a company that specializes in fresh, the canned whole baby clams were a very big disappointment. 2 or 3 fresh clams would have been better, and if you're going to use baby clams, use a lot more. I also didn't get the flavor of any garlic. I wouldn't order this meal again at $8.99, or if it were on sale on 50% off. Overall, Fresh Direct has an amazing menu of delicious prepared meals at very affordable, if not below average prices. The 2 lasagnas I ordered, as well as the enchiladas and the beef bourguignon, was top on the list, in my opinion. The frozen prepared meals didn't score as well with me, but I only tried 3 of 20 on the menu. Even so, I highly recommend Fresh Direct for their prepared meal if you live in the New York City and Philadelphia area. My name is Chef Picanti, and thank you for visiting my website.
Oh yeah, Chef Picante knows for the best in gourmet reviews and critiques.